Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nizzy and today I have this carnival look for you guys. It's a collab with LYRIC Rochester. I'm sure all the Jamaican YouTubers know LYRIC because LYRIC are the OG. Yes, so she's doing this beauty vlogger takeover for the month of March, so you guys should check that out. And I got this carnival look to do, so this is what I came up with. Hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to see how I got it, stay tuned.